Stop wasting time setting up subtitles from scratch. In this video, I am going to show you how to create and save your own pop-up preset in DaVinci Resolve to use in any project. Stick with me. First, let's go to Effects, then Titles, and drag Text Plus onto the timeline. Now, let's customize our text by changing the color, font, size, and the position where it will appear. We will also add an outline and a shadow. Next, we open the Fusion page to animate and create the pop-up effect. On the timeline, select the first frame, then click the keyframe diamond and set the size to 0. Move forward 2 frames and set the text size to 0.12. Move forward another 2 frames and set the text to its final size. In my case, I like to use 0.09, and it will look like this. To make the animation smoother, let's go to Spline and click on Template to show our animation. Next, select all the nodes, right-click, and choose the Smooth option. Now, I will just adjust it to look exactly how I want. In the Media pool, click the 3 dots and enable Show Power Bins. Enter the master folder and create a new folder for our subtitles. I will name it Subtitles. Now, drag the Text Plus into our folder and give it a name to identify it. And that is it. Whenever you start a new project, your custom pop-up preset will be right there, ready to use.